Today we're going to do a video on how to make wonderful espresso in your home using a Bialetti Italian percolator and a bonus tip on how to create a wonderful crema right from your home. Want some? Oh no! That looks like mud or like dirt. Look at this. This is perhaps the messiest coffee experience of my life. In our home, we usually rely on Italian imported Lavazza coffee. Lately, though, the prices have been really expensive, so we've found this alternative, been trying it out, and it's quite good. The key is to get the right espresso that comes in these vacuum sealed packs that are very powdery when you open them. They're intended for fit in this filter. So these percolators, these Bialetti coffee makers, are exactly what you would find in almost every Italian home when you travel to Italy, whether you visit friends, family, or you stay at a bed and breakfast. It's an extremely simple system, 3 pieces. Wait, Anakai, we can't see. The bottom is the container that holds water. The middle filter funnel holds the coffee. And the top is where the coffee will go once it's brewed. I think we're missing something. What should we go and put in here?
Coffee.
Coffee in there?
Water.
Water, all right, cool. So Asher, since you got the right answer, you put the water in the container. All right, so who's gonna do the coffee part?
Me.
I think Phoenix.
Me.
No, you okay, you do a couple scoops and Phoenix does a couple. Wait. Let Phoenix. Everybody does a scoop.
Not that.
All right, Asher, you do one. And you don't wanna flatten it. When you fill your filter with coffee, you don't wanna tamp it down. This is not a pressurized espresso maker like you would see in a coffee shop. It simply allows the boiling of the water to push through, so you won't need to tamp it. All right, so then you line this up and you spin it. Yes, Anakai?
To the left. How about you bring water and it will make mud?
Yeah, if you added water in here and you mix it up, it would turn into mud. That's true. In order to make a beautiful crema, which is a layer of caramel colored coffee that floats on the top of your espresso, we are actually gonna use some sugar and the very first drips that come out of the Bialetti maker.
Yeah.
So this, what goes in there is the coffee. Yeah, the water is gonna go up the funnel, hit the coffee, the filter is gonna stop the coffee grind from coming up, and the water is gonna push all the way up, ride up the stem, and then come back down. When you make coffee espresso and you wanna make the crema, you wanna keep the lid up open at first so you can watch the very first few drips of the coffee coming out. And then as soon as you see that coming and hitting and filling the bottom of your espresso maker, you wanna pour it into the sugar, then you wanna whisk it. Okay, super messy, all right. And as you work it with the spoon or even a fork, it'll start transforming almost like what? Like your favorite thing, guys. What's your favorite thing? No, not whipped cream, caramel. It'll look like a very crunchy looking caramel glaze. Who wants a caramel shot?
Me.
It didn't come out, it didn't come out. Go ahead, let's try it.
Yeah.
No, I won't be silly, I won't be silly. Once you have created your caramel glaze, you add it to the bottom of an espresso cup. Super messy. Okay. So yeah, I'm training baristas here for sure. So you're just gonna pour it. And as you pour it, you'll actually see the sugar caramel float to the top of your espresso and hover there. And it creates a beautiful light brown caramel colored crema that adds just a little bit of nice texture to your espresso. Cheers. Here, cheers. Oh yeah, cheers. Oh yeah, cheers. Oh yeah. Oh. Mm. Okay. So, who's gonna help me with making the iced latte? This coffee is also great for making iced latte. Usually if we have any leftover espresso, we'll put it in a jar or a glass in the fridge, pour it over some ice, add milk, and it's delicious. A reminder, don't use the espresso you just brewed for your iced lattes, otherwise it'll just melt your ice and it won't taste very good. You wanna use espresso that you have cooled and chilled in the fridge over the period of the day. You can help me with this one.
And milk. Efficient.
Just add wonderful milk.
That looks awesome.
What? All right, hey, thanks everyone for watching. I hope that you hit like on this video, subscribe, hit the alert button so you can watch the next one with our family and follow our adventures. Cheers. You want one? Yeah, you do. Here, let's see how that tastes. Mm. Is it, wait, too hot? How about this one? How about this one? Oh, that's yummy.
Get over it.